I'm Hans Rasmussen with Brandt Agricultural Products. I'm the regional sales manager for the Midwest and Northeast. We're standing here with our new product. It's our high-speed disc. We make 7 different models from 16 feet to 45 feet. Some of the features we offer is we have the choice of 3 different blades on the discs. We have a fluted, a notched, and a smooth blade, and the customer can choose which of those 3 he wants on both rows. One of the other features we have is we have lateral adjustment on the front gang so that you can adjust the disc spacing compared to the back row to make sure you're getting an even seed bed and you're covering all the tillage and breaking up the soil underneath the ground to give an even germination. For our rolling baskets, we have a suspension system so that if you hit an obstruction, a stone, rather than lifting the whole machine, the basket lifts and goes over the obstruction and back down again without lifting the whole machine. We have a choice of 3 different basket types on the back, and we can see them here at the show. We have made up a machine with the cage roller, a rubber roller, and a coil roller. These are meant for single use in the spring. If you just want to go shallow 1 to 2 inches to create a seed bed, dry it out, dry the soil out for planting. And then in the fall, people are using these after corn, especially to break up the residue, mix it with the soil, so you can get decomposition on the corn, so that it breaks down over the winter. What makes us a little different is we have the lateral adjustment on the gangs. We have the suspension for the baskets on the back. And then we have the way our wheels are placed, so when you're going through waterways, washouts, gullies, it's following the contours of the ground with the wheels where they're placed rather than where the tractor's going up and down, so you're not getting the tillage machine to lift out of the ground or dig deeper. So it's following closer to keep more uniform depth when you're tilling. The biggest thing for dealers to be aware of when you're selling a high-speed disc, and that doesn't matter which brand it is the horsepower requirements. If you're going to be operating in a 3 to 4 inch depth with a high amount of residue, from example 250 bushel corn, you're going to be pushing 20 horsepower per foot in operating these. So you want to be careful you don't oversize the machine to the tractor, or you won't be able to maintain the speeds. We're suggesting between 10 and 12 miles an hour, and at that rate you need 20 horsepower per foot.